Typing on a conventional, straight keyboard can often lead to discomfort and strain on your body. The design requires bending your wrists, which can be painful during extended use. Fortunately, various manufacturers are exploring innovative designs to offer a more comfortable typing experience. While these unconventional keyboards may take some adjustment, they could be the solution to alleviate discomfort and enhance your typing experience. First of all, we will talk about the best ergonomic keyboard. Logitech Ergo K860. When seeking the best ergonomic keyboard, the Logitech Ergo K860 stands out as a top recommendation. Its plush wrist rest and wave-like shape create distinct key clusters for each hand, promoting a neutral position for hands, wrists, and elbows. This design reduces strain compared to conventional keyboards, ensuring comfort during prolonged typing sessions. Despite being plastic, the keyboard feels robust and high quality. The light-to-press switches prevent finger fatigue, and their quiet operation is ideal for shared spaces. The keyboard offers both wireless options, USB receiver and Bluetooth, allowing flexibility in positioning without cable concerns. Overall, the Logitech Ergo K860 excels in delivering comfort and functionality for an ergonomic typing experience. Second on our list is Best Mid-Range Ergonomic Keyboard. Logitech Wave Keys. In the mid-range category for ergonomic keyboards, the Logitech Wave Keys is a recommended choice. Despite its smaller desk footprint, it maintains a full-size keyboard's key layout, similar to the Logitech Ergo K860. The curved key layout, though not as radical as a split key cluster, approaches a neutral typing posture, minimizing the angle at which you need to tilt your wrists during typing. The compact design includes an integrated wrist rest, making it slightly deep but not highly portable. Nonetheless, its wireless connectivity via USB receiver or Bluetooth allows versatility across different locations. The key spacing is slightly closer than standard keyboards, requiring a brief adjustment period. While lacking additional dedicated keys like media controls, the Logitech Wave Keys offers a versatile and comfortable typing experience in the mid-range ergonomic keyboard category. Now let's come to our best budget ergonomic keyboard. Logitech K350. For those on a budget, the Logitech K350 emerges as a top choice in ergonomic keyboards. As an older design and precursor to the Logitech Wave Keys, it often appears as the 2009 model online, frequently priced around $35 due to its age. Despite its vintage, the K350 remains a solid option, especially for those new to ergonomic models or seeking affordability. The keyboard's curved key rows and wave-like shape promote a neutral, comfortable wrist position during extended use. The substantial integrated wrist rest enhances typing support. However, the K350's notable downside is its space-consuming integrated wrist rest, which may be a drawback for some users. Unlike its pricier successor, the Logitech Wave Keys, it lacks Bluetooth connectivity. Nevertheless, the K350 compensates with numerous dedicated extra keys, including media controls. Its significantly lower price point makes it a compelling and budget-friendly choice in the ergonomic keyboard market. Last but not the least is our best ergonomic keyboard for enthusiasts. Ergo Glove 80. If you're on the lookout for an ergonomic keyboard tailored to your needs, we highly recommend the Ergo Glove 80. As our top choice for enthusiasts, this mechanical marvel boasts a wireless design with two halves that seamlessly connect via Bluetooth, accommodating up to 4 devices simultaneously. With dedicated thumb clusters, a detachable wrist rest, and a concave key well, featuring a columnar key layout, the Glove 80 aims to minimize finger travel distance, reducing strain and fatigue during typing. You can also tent both halves between 10 and 30 degrees to alleviate forearm pronation. Beyond its ergonomic features, the keyboard offers customization options, allowing you to tailor layouts and create intricate macros using ZMK firmware or Ergo's web-based layout editor. While these tools provide robust functionality, they may be less user-friendly compared to the Logitech Ergo K860, our top pick. The Ergo Glove 80 stands out among the best split keyboards, particularly for dedicated ergonomics enthusiasts, albeit at a higher price point than other options on the list. Links to the featured products are given in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.